د وطن دفاع لك المنسبكرم لدخمن.
Banking status. The Afghanistan Bank has a fundamental role in the economic growth of the country. Besides managing inflation and controlling exchange rates, it regulates the country's monetary policies and acts as a bridge between all private banks. During the past 1 year, the Afghanistan Bank operations have been impeded and delayed, and the main reason being the lack of cash and the freezing of Afghanistan's assets. Also, due to the existing sanction, the problems in transaction with the rest of the world were what caused the banking system of Afghanistan to face huge problems in the last 1 year. In addition to this, the corona pandemic has already affected the entire world economy and especially the banking sectors in the years 2020 and 2021, and Afghanistan is no exception. During the last 1 year, the main problem of Afghanistan Bank was liquidity or inability to pay. The fact that the issue of banks' liquidity has not become so serious as to stop Afghanistan banking system, in which several points are worth mentioning. The first is that about 10 to 15% of the people of Afghanistan carry out their business transactions through banks, and the rest 90% are done through non-banking means, which makes it easier for Afghanistan Bank, especially in controlling the recent crisis, which was a positive point. Another positive point is that Afghanistan is not in debt to anyone. When a country is in debt, it has negative effect on both the liquidity and the exchange rate. Also, the liquidity level of Afghanistan Bank was higher in comparison, and they have more cash, especially they give money to people from trust money.